Weatherland. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, a nice one out there today if you didn't mind the scattered showers. Temperatures, though, pushing and hitting 80 degrees once again today, and we'll probably do it again tomorrow. Also Thursday, upper 70s to near 80, depending on the cloud cover. If you get a few breaks in the clouds, and we got a good one late this afternoon, that temperature going to 80 degrees. Now, more of the same next couple of days, but it's a lot different as you go farther north and west. More on that in just a bit. First off, though, let's take a look at well, we didn't have a drone shot today. Well, I thought we might have one, but let's move on and take a look at the big picture as we go across the lower 48. We have snow back in the west and some showers far west, and snow, good snows here, more snows here, heavy rains here. The threat of severe weather as well, and there's going to be more where that came from. Look at all the winter weather advisories we have from the west coast through the Intermountain West to the Midwest and then down to the south. These are winter storm warnings for an ice storm that's going to develop. It's going to get icy in around the Dallas-Fort Worth area, Oak City. So if you do have a flight heading out of Lafayette, make sure you stay up to date with your airlines because there could be some changes there. As mentioned, severe weather threat tonight, mainly for portions of Mississippi and Alabama, lower end, but it seems to be delivering just about each and every chance for portions of Mississippi and Alabama. We skip a day tomorrow, then get into Thursday, and there'll be the marginal risk of an isolated severe storm Thursday with our frontal boundary that'll be pushing on through come Thursday night. Not expecting severe weather per se here, but nonetheless, that marginal risk does extend into western sections of our viewing area. Now today, just spotty showers, no thunderstorms here locally, and you can see all the winter weather watches off to the north and west. Coming in, looking at the Doppler radars, already a fog advisory issued for eastern Louisiana. That's new. We might see that also get expanded back to the west, and we'll tell you why in just a bit. Right now, as we take a look at the radar, we do see showers, some pretty hefty showers, and there's some cloud-to-ground lightning, so we could call these at least thunder showers. Gusty winds with these cells as they move to the northeastern Rapides Parish. A few other cells as we get down into Allen Parish, northwestern of Evangeline Parish. This activity moving along quickly, and then we do have more shower activity as we get into northwestern Jeff Davis Parish from right around the Highway 90 area up to about Kinder. So still a few showers, but rain chances tonight down to about 20%, and then they'll spark back up to about 30% tomorrow. We hold in the 60s tonight. Look at that front. It just passes through Eunice and is certainly through Alexandria by daybreak tomorrow. That front doesn't make a whole lot of movement, though, over the next 48 hours. So upper 70s to near 80, lower 80s where we see a little bit more sunshine over southeast Louisiana. And again, a passing shower tomorrow, but no higher than 30%. Tomorrow night, that's when we think we start to see the cooler air filtering in, and this is the latest graph models actually bringing the front through a little bit quicker, but notice 56 in Lafayette, 69 in Baton Rouge, and 70 in Morgan City for Thursday morning. And then as we head into Thursday afternoon, that front waffling right across the area, and this is new. I'm still going to go with temperatures in the upper 70s to near 80, figuring the front's going to be maybe about 20-30 miles farther north and west. And then as we head into Thursday night, upper level system pushes on through, gives us a better chance of rain through early Friday, and then temperatures cool down into the 40s and 50s, back to a little bit of reality. Ice storm underway. As we mentioned, this is the accumulating ice from northeast Texas up through the northern portions of Arkansas. There could be some serious outages here with better than a half inch of ice accumulating, and that goes all the way up through the northeast. And then there's going to be snows further to the north, some good snows with this system, of course, in the Rockies, and then moving through the Midwest and eventually the Northeast. So even though we're finishing out February, still looking like winter out there. Temperature-wise for us, anything but winter. Upper 60s tonight will favor upper 70s tomorrow. Now, this is a different data set. This is going to show milder temperatures, we think, as we move forward. Upper 60s Thursday morning, and notice, mid to upper 70s all the way up through Ville Platte here, but the cooler air not too far away. That eventually gets here as we head into Friday. Now, tonight, the winds look to be a little bit lighter, so we've had sea fog and low cloud cover along the coast. That's going to try to creep northward tonight. So we could see visibility dropping to the coastal parishes, especially the coastal parishes. So if we have a fog advisory, those would be the areas that we would be watching overnight tonight through daybreak tomorrow. So another mild and humid night, 67 the low tonight. That's the normal, just about the normal high this time of year. Back into the upper 70s to near 80 tomorrow with a few brief scattered showers. Your chance of wetting the ground at about 30%, pushing near 80 again on Thursday. Then the chill down as we head into Friday. The weekend looking a little bit better. I think we're going to see rain come Saturday night. But it's going to be after the Bonaparte Parade and ending towards Sunday morning. So right now the Heroes Parade looks good, temperatures in the 50s. Bonaparte looks good, temperatures in the 50s. And new today as well. Look at Mardi Gras, not as cold as it looked yesterday, and we're pushing perhaps 70 degrees for a high come Tuesday. So we may not be delivering on all the parades, but hopefully we'll get you good on Mardi Gras.
All righty, we'll take it. Thank you.